Hello young ecologists, and welcome to Discovering the Science with Belén and Rosa. In today's video, we will tell you about our well-known friend, the plastic.
Since the 1930s, and thanks to the most intrepid scientists of the time, this material gained ground to the wood and tin. Little by little, because of the foolishness that sometimes comes to us humans, we began to produce more and more quantities of plastics of all types.
And now, millions and millions of plastics are gathering in our oceans.
Look, it is bigger than my town.
Animals die by ingesting it, and eventually it gets to us.
Tell my parents, I love them.
But is everything really bad about them? In addition to this incredible discovery, various techniques were invented so that they would help us not to accumulate so much waste in our environment.
One of them is pyrolysis, and that is what we came to talk to you about. This process, as you may deduce since you are so clever, is done with fire. It consists of breaking down the molecules of the plastic by use of heat in an atmosphere in which there is no oxygen to produce fuel.
In the general process of recycling the plastics, we have 5 different stages. The first one is the pretreatment, where plastics are washed and its labels are removed. We also shred the plastics and weigh them. The next step is to add the crushed plastic to the pyrolytic reactor. Later on comes the catalyst addition, where the catalyst is added. The most used are the zeolites, which are used in many important reactions with organic molecules and also as a support for active metals or reagents. Then the temperature is put between 400 and 500 degrees Celsius. As the last step, we let the gas circulate. The gases leaving the reactor are swept away by the nitrogen flow to a series of gas and liquid separators cooled by running water. In this way, they condense, thus obtaining the gas and liquid products.
These are the types of plastic that we can use during this process. They are the first, second, fourth, fifth, and sixth. The first one is the PET, the second the high-density polyethylene, the fourth the low-density polyethylene, the fifth is the polypropylene, and the sixth the polystyrene. Finally, we can say that the catalytic pyrolysis is an efficient, clean, and very effective form of disposing plastic waste that we have left behind in the recent decades. Thanks to the conversion of plastic into fuel, we solve 2 major problems: storage spaces and the growing demand for fuels. But then, what about the plastic islands?
Well, for a few years now, lots of campaigns are being created to collect all the plastic that makes up these islands, and thus we will be able to apply the process of pyrolysis in all of them. In this way, we can eliminate the threat to the animals and all the damage we have caused.
I am ready to read. Well, boys and girls, here finishes this video. Remember to give it a like and thank you for watching.